This will be a speed test between the Asus ROG Phone versus the Razer Phone 2. Now this is going to be one hell of a matchup. Turn on both at the same time, see which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. Very close on the boot up, but I'm gonna give the slight edge to the ROG Phone. And we are in! Nothing open in the background on both, as you can see. So let's get started with the Messages app. Very close, maybe the ROG. Camera. ROG again. Clock on both, start the stopwatch, and leave that running in the background. Chrome, let's go. Search for GSM Arena on both. Go. Looking at the progress bar. Very similar performance on both. Scroll through this and go to the desktop version. Looking at the progress bar, both practically the same. Pinch to zoom. Butter smooth on the Razer phone and do the same thing to the ROG phone. Both displays right now are set at 90 Hz. Leave it on this page. Calculator on both. Very similar performance. Play Store, go. ROG on that one. Click on an app. Leave it there. Amazon Shopping. You guys are the judges. Click on the deal of the day. Leave it there. eBay. Very close. Click on this MacBook Air, leave it there. Super Mario Run. Loading on both. Ooh, so close, maybe the ROG by a split second. Tap to begin. ROG a little bit faster. Temple Run 2. Temple Run 2 Spirit's Cove. Woo! We may have a draw here, let's find out. And give this to the ROG. Tap to play. Leave that in the background. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in on both. ROG a little bit ahead. Will the Razer catch up? No, it does not. And give this to the ROG. Asphalt 9. Which one will come out on top here? Ooh, and give this to the Razer 2. Tap the play button. PUBG. ROG a little bit ahead. Looking at the progress bar, which one will come out on top? And looks like the ROG took this one. Not a big difference though. San Andreas. Let's go. Looking at the progress bar. So close. I'm gonna call this one a tie. Twitter. Tie. Instagram. Very close, maybe the Razer Phone 2 on that one. Snapchat. Razer Phone 2. So let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background, so you can see. Now both have a whopping 8 gigs of RAM. So multitasking, RAM management shouldn't be a problem. So let's see what happens right now. Instagram, good to go. Twitter, good to go. San Andreas, good to go again. PUBG, ready to play on both. Asphalt 9, still in RAM. Angry Birds 2, good to go. Temple Run 2, paused and ready to resume. Mario Run. Oh, we have a reload on the Razer Phone too. eBay. Okay, a little bit faster on the ROG. Amazon. A little bit faster on ROG again. Same place. Calculator. Maybe the Razer Phone 2 on that one. Chrome. Okay, a little bit faster on the ROG. Clock on both. Still running the stopwatch. The camera. Maybe the ROG on that. And the messages app. Boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this matchup. For all you gamers out there, are you gonna go with the Asus ROG phone or are you gonna rock the Razer Phone 2? Both phones have their pros and cons, but both have amazing front-firing speakers, the viewing angles, and the contrast ratio is a little bit better on the ROG since this one is an OLED display. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.